High value B2B customer placing large WooCommerce orders get the same automated order processing. Their orders sits in the same queue as the first time buyer and often gets hold because of the invalid credit limit check. So the order doesn't get fulfillment on time. So this high value customers get delay in order processing, and this mishandling of orders can cost a lot a relationship damage in your business. To solve this purpose in your business, I have created this workflow that solves this pain point. Let's see how this workflow works in action. So, this is the workflow that I have designed, which will check the high volume B2B orders placed by VIP customers. So, it will filter out based on the total quantity of the line item and the total order amount. So, if it identifies it as a high volume B2B order, it will go and then fetch the particular business partner by mail ID. And if I get the mail ID with business partner, then it will check if the business partner exists. It will go and update the credit limit. So what it's doing is that, so since we are creating the order on a priority basis, we are extending the credit limit temporarily for that particular business partner. So it will update the credit limit based on certain logic. So you can see in this node, we are updating the credit limit and the max commitment limit. So we are adding that to our SAP, and then we are checking if the order already got synchronized or not. If it didn't, then it will create a new sales order on a priority basis. So this is what the workflow is doing. And here we have used the trigger node of new created orders. So whenever a new order is placed, and it will identify that B2B high volume order, and accordingly the flow will work. So for the live demo part, I'll be quickly placing a new sales order in our WooCommerce. So the customer already exists in the ERP and as well as the line item. So I'll be choosing the customer. This is the customer Z Halas, and then I'll be adding the line item. So this product is also there in the ERP, and then since it's a bulk product, the quantity will be say 75 units. Adding it, and the total value exceeds the normal order. So it's a B2B order. Now we'll be quickly creating this order here. So the order got created in our WooCommerce. Now we will go and execute the flow. I will just do run once for this flow. Okay, so the execution is completed. First, let me check the credit limit got updated. Yes, you can see we have fetched the customer and the card code is WOO70 and the card name is Z Halas. So we have this customer and all the details of the customer. Now let me show you the filter node also, how we are filtering the high volume B2B order. So here you can see I have given a logic where line item quantity must be greater than 50 and the total amount of the order must be greater than 1000. So this logic can be customized as per as the B2B scenario requirement of your business, right? And now I will be checking whether the order got created. Yes, so the order also got created in our SAP. Now we will quickly check that in our SAP as the final step. And sales order, if I search with the name, okay. So this is the order, the second one. I choose it. Okay, you can see the total quantity is exactly same what we placed in WooCommerce, and we have the total amount, order amount. So this is the order that got synchronized on priority basis because it's a high volume order placed in WooCommerce. So that's how this flow works, and I hope you have a brief understanding of this workflow that I've designed. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.